Annually, over 8 million students from 70 plus countries take part in SOF Olympiads, but only the top 5% of these aspirants qualify for SOF Olympiad Level 1. And from that, less than 1% become international rank holders and earn a gold medal. Good news? You can become an international rank holder as well with the right resources. MTG brought to you 3 resources curated by experts who know the true level of Olympiad exams. So let's dive in. Number 1, MTG Olympiad Prep Guide. Gain a better understanding of key concepts and improve your problem-solving skills. Get comprehensive theory with visual aids for better understanding. Get Achievers section with hot question to improve your critical thinking. Self-tests and exercises is there in each chapter for in-depth practice. 2 model test papers following the current SOF exam pattern and answer keys provided for progress assessment. Number 2, MTG Olympiad workbooks, a must-have for any student aiming to excel in their Olympiad exams. Get chapter-wise quick recap for better retention of the concepts. Chapter-wise MCQs assess knowledge gained from each chapter. The Achievers section caters students at different knowledge levels for a well-rounded practice session. The Hot section challenges students and promotes critical thinking skills by presenting complex and thought-provoking questions. Hints and explanation provided to aid in conceptual clarity. SOL 2024 SOF Olympiad exam paper is included to familiarize students with the exam pattern, format, and level of difficulty. Number 3, MTG Olympiad previous 5 years papers. It will analyze your skills and boost your confidence for the 2024-25 SOF Olympiad exam with 10 real Olympiad PYPs from the past 5 years, authorized by SOF Olympiad. 2 model test papers aid in rigorous practice, OMR sheets to stimulate exam-like practice. Chapter-wise analysis of all papers helps in students strengthen core concepts. Answer keys with hints and explanation to improve problem-solving skills. So, what are you waiting for? This is your sign to start preparing for SOF Olympiad 2024 with all-rounder MTG resources. Take the first step towards SOF Olympiad success now.